The swipe to select gesture is the ultimate power move for cleaning up your camera roll. Here is how you do it. Open the Photos app and go to the Library tab or a specific album. Tap Select in the top right corner. Tap and hold on the first photo you want to delete, then immediately slide your finger across to the next photo. Keep sliding down, without lifting your finger, to highlight entire rows at once. It feels a bit like painting with your finger. Once you've highlighted everything you want, tap the trash icon at the bottom. Confirm by tapping Delete. When you delete photos, they aren't gone forever immediately. They move to the recently deleted album, under the Utilities section at the bottom of the Albums tab. These photos stay there for 30 days before being permanently erased.